what I can speak to is when I was watching a gameplay of it, how quickly these sound effects and soundtrack got on my nerves.
Oh,
The sound effects were so repetitive. I was hearing the same thing like every second or two, and not just from punching, like all the background noise, everything. It was getting on my nerves. And the music I found grating. Like it was just so bad. So feel free to turn it up if you want to. But because of that, it got on my nerves so quick that I'm like, I would not want to play this game because of that aspect of it, the auditory
oh
part.
man, I thought I remember the music being really cool in this game. I do agree with
So,
you on the
like-
sound effect. I can see how that could be annoying. I don't know,
Yeah.
man.
All
I get it.
Sega ones were that. Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
So I mean, like maybe you have to
there's a
play it
limitation
on
of
mute the whole
technology.
game. Maybe if you played it on mute the whole game, maybe it ended up being a little better. But because of that alone, I was like, no, it's
This,
100%
this is the
nostalgia.
track that most people. Of course, in this defense, whoever recorded this is definitely using a later Model 2 Genesis with a different sound chip, and that actually sounds terrible right there. So I would not actually judge it too much based on that. So we should switch that. There is
Well, but that's what
there's
you're
a
playing.